Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this video, we will guide you through the replacement process of a front air spring for the Audi A6 Allroad Quattro, C5. Proper installation is essential to experience and appreciate the benefits. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Set the steering to straight ahead. Locate, loosen, and remove the 3 top bolts under the hood. You can now raise the vehicle and remove the front wheel. Remove the pinch bolt from the front of the control arms and remove both ball joints from the front suspension link. Now remove the remaining air pressure from the front air spring. To do this, deflate the air spring by carefully removing the air fitting from the top of the air spring. Then remove the air fitting from the airline and discard it. When deflated, loosen and remove the lower shock bolt. You can then carefully remove the shock assembly from the vehicle. Once the shock assembly is out of the vehicle, remove the 6 upper shock mounting bolts using a 12-point Torx bit. Then remove the top cast aluminum shock cap. To start the removal of the air spring, remove the central flange nut from the top of the shock. Remove the rubber upper mount and washer. Please do not discard them. Both the nut and washer will be reused in the new assembly. Remove the old air spring from the shock. You may have to tap down on the air spring piston to dislodge it from the old shock. The final step is to remove the old O-ring used to seal the air spring to the shock. You can discard this O-ring because it will not be reused in the new assembly. To install the new air spring onto the existing shock, lubricate the O-ring in the bottom of the new air spring assembly and slide the new air spring over the shock absorber. You have arrived at final prep work before you can install the strut assembly back into the vehicle. Remove the new O-ring from the bag and lubricate it. Install the new O-ring into the face groove located on the top side of the air spring. Replace the top washer, rubber mount, and flange nut. To finish it off, replace the cast aluminum shock cap and install the bolts provided in the kit. Install the new front air spring in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air spring of the Audi A6 Allroad with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.